She helped me get my life back. She's been the most amazing person ever. I was first diagnosed in April 2009, silent seizure, so the kinds that other people wouldn't notice, I'd notice them. So we got to the point where the epilepsy was affecting my visual memory. So I would say work with someone for a whole week, saw them a week later and I wouldn't recognize them. And so I tried about 21 different kinds of medication. None of them worked for me. And so we'd run out of options. And on the 24th of August 2015, I underwent what we call a right temporal lobectomy, where they took away the part of my brain, the brain tissue, where the epilepsy was located. There is nothing that you ever go through in life that can fully prepare you for that moment when you realize that nothing is ever going to be the same again. That, your life from that moment on is going to be completely different. At first, I couldn't do anything, like couldn't stand, couldn't walk. I couldn't even sit up straight without someone helping me. And you have to break it down. As one of my first physiotherapists said, how do you eat an elephant? You chop him up. For me, my initial goal was very clear. I was going to walk on the Great Wall of China. Now that's a huge elephant to want to eat. And you don't just work towards that. You have to learn, you literally in this case, the proverb is very true. You have to learn to stand before you can walk. My physiotherapist, Roisin in particular, who I'm here today to honor, she helped me get my life back. She's been the most amazing person ever. She's been there for me for 4 months, almost every day, 5 days a week.
Immediately when I met Sasha, I knew she was a force to be reckoned with and someone that was so driven towards specific goals. She had her hard days, extremely hard days, like anyone who wakes up and is paralysed on one side of their body has to have huge drive and has to have, I suppose, a lot of heart and help to get back to where she did. You go on an emotional journey with someone, it's not just a physical journey, and she kind of was able to kind of work with me, and I suppose I was able to push her to meet what she really wanted to succeed with.